Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, in this video we will start our exercise 7.5. Here first question we have, write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. We have to write the fraction and we have to find out that the fractions are of addition or subtraction. Now here let's write. As we know that here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and out of 5 we have one shaded part. So the fraction is 1 upon 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out of 5 two parts are shaded. So we have 2 upon 5 and is equals to, this is 1, 2, 3, 3 upon 5. So it is very clear that you have to add both the figure and you will get 3 upon 5. So here you will get 3 upon 5. Now next we have this B part. In this all parts are shaded and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So my fraction of this figure is 5 upon 5, and here I have 1, 2, 3 shaded part out of 5. So the fraction of this shaded part is 3 upon 5, and here we have 2 shaded portions. So the fraction of the shaded portion is 2 upon 5. Now we have is equals to. So it is very clear, when you subtract then you will get 2 upon 5, and here the operation used is minus. Now next we have, in this we have total 6 objects, and out of 6 2 are shaded. So my fraction is 2 upon 6. Next the fraction of shaded objects 1, 2, 3, that is I have 3 upon 6 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects are shaded, so my fraction is 5 upon 6, and when you add both the fractions you will get 5 upon 6. So this is your first question. In this you have to write the fraction of the each figure, then after this you have to use an operation that is of addition or subtraction. So this is your question number 1. So let's start our next question. Now next we have question number 2, that is solve. In this 2 fractions are given to you and you have to add both the fractions, and we know that whenever we have to add the fractions or subtract the fractions, the denominator should be equal, and in this case both have denominator, that is 18. If we have the same denominator, then you have to add the numerator, that is 1 plus 1 upon 18. Now next step, 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 18. Now we have to reduce the fraction into the simplest form, and both numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. So I will write 2 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2. So after division I will get 2 divided by 2, 1, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So my answer is 1 upon 9. Here 1 upon 9 is answer. Now next we have B part. Now in this question also we have 2 fractions and we have to add the fraction, and denominators are same, that is 15, 15. So if denominators are same, add the numerators. When you add the numerators, 8 plus 3, this is equals to 11 upon 15. So 11 upon 15 is your answer. So this is your part B. Then after part B we have C part, 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. In this you have to subtract the fraction, and again denominators are same. If denominators are same and we have the operation of subtraction, so subtract 7 minus 5 upon 7. Now if you subtract you will get 2 upon 7. So here 2 upon 7 is answer. So here 2 upon 7 is our answer. So let's start our next part. Now in this we have 1 upon 22 plus 21 upon 22. Denominators are same. If denominators are same, add the numerators. When you add you will get 22 upon 22. As both numerator and denominator are divisible by 22, so divide numerator by 22, denominator by 22. You will get 1 upon 1, and we know that 1 upon 1 means 1. So your answer of D part is 1. Now next we have E part. E part is 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. Again we have same denominators and we have to subtract. So my next step is 12 minus 7 upon 15. Now if you subtract 7 from 12, you will get 5 upon 15. As both numerator and denominator divisible by 5, so I will write 5 divided by 5, 15 divided by 5. So my answer is 1 upon 3. Here 1 upon 3 is answer. Now next we have F part. F part is 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. In this also we have denominator 8 in both the fractions, so you have to add as addition is given. 5 plus 3 upon 8. When you add, you will get 8 upon 8. As both are divisible by 8, so I will write 8 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8. My answer will be 1 upon 1, which is equals to 1. So my final answer is 1. So this is my part F. Now next I have this G part. G part is 1 minus 2 upon 3. I can write this 1 as 1 upon 1, as this is also a fraction. Now you have to subtract it, and we know that whenever you have to subtract two fractions, then denominator should be same. Now here we have 1 and here we have 3. For this you have to take LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 1 and 3. And here LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Now we have 1 upon 1. So by which number I multiply this 1 so that I will get 3? That is multiply by 3. If I am multiplying 3 in the denominator, then I have to multiply the same in the numerator. So this minus as it is and 2 upon 3 as it is. Here we have 3, so no need to multiply any number. So next step we have 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Here denominators are same, so you have to subtract 3 minus 2 upon 3. And when you subtract, you will get 1 upon 3. So my answer is 1 upon 3. Then after G we have H part. H part is 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. Again in this denominators are same, so add the numerators. 1 plus 0 upon 4. When you add 1 plus 0, this is equals to 1 upon 4. So your answer is 1 upon 4. Now next we have I part. Next we have I part, that is 3 minus 12 upon 5. Now you have to subtract, and we know that the denominator should be equal, but here we have 3 and 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. Now here denominator is 1 and we have 5. So for this you have to take LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 itself. So we have 3 upon 1. So by which number I multiply this 1 so that I will get 5? So this is obvious. You have to multiply this denominator by 5. 1 5s are 5. So you have to multiply same 5 in the numerator. Minus 12 upon 5. So here we have 3 5s are 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. Now the denominators are same and you have to subtract it. 15 minus 12 upon 5. After subtraction I will get 3 upon 5. So here my answer is 3 upon 5. So this is all about question number 2. Next we have question number 3. Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room and his sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Here the question is, one wall is there. Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall. His sister helped and painted 1/3 of the wall. We have to find out they together, how much did they paint together. So let's start. Firstly, I will write part of the wall painted by Shubham, and that part is 2/3. So part of the wall painted by Shubham is 2/3. Next we have part of the wall painted by Madhvi, and the part of the wall painted by Madhvi is 1/3. And we have to find how much did they paint together. For this we will use operation, that is plus. You have to add. So I will write, therefore the wall painted together. For this you have to add, because together means plus. So 2/3 plus 1/3. Now in this you have to add, and denominators are same, that is 3. If denominators are same, so add the numerators. 2 plus 1/3. So you will get 3/3. As both are divisible by 3, so your answer will be 1/1, so which is equals to 1. This 1 indicates that they paint the complete wall. So your answer is they painted the complete wall. So I will write, they painted the complete wall. So this is all about your question number 3. Now question number 4, we have filling the missing fractions. In this we have to fill in these missing fractions, and we have 2 fractions over here. Equal sign is given to you. So here denominators are also same. So we have to find out by which number I subtract over here, so that I will get 3/10. So which number I subtracted from 7/10, so that I will get 3/10. Here the denominators are same, so we will subtract and check with the numerators. So here we have 7 minus 4. If I subtract 7 minus 4, I will get 3. And here we have 10 in the denominator, so I will write 4/10, because 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. And here we have 7/10 minus 4/10. If denominators are same, you will subtract the numerator. So I will get answer like this. Then next I have this blank minus 3/21 equals to 5/21. So for this, if I subtract 3 from 8, so I will get this. So 8/21 minus 3/21 equals to 5/21. Similarly, you have to solve part C. And here we have 3/6. From which number I subtract this number, so that I will get 3/6. So it is clear, that is 6/6, because 6 minus 3 equals to 3, and here denominators are same. So next we have, now I have to find this blank. This plus 5 equals to 12. Here denominators are same, so which number you added to 5 so that you will get 12, that is 7/27. So this is your question number 4. Next we have question number 5. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? In this we have a question that there is a basket, and this basket is full of oranges. And Javed was given 1/5 of a basket of oranges. It means we have 7 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this, Javed was given 5/7 of a basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/7 of a basket of oranges he has taken, and we have to find what fraction of oranges was left in the basket. And for this, firstly we have to write portion of oranges given to Javed, that is 5/7. That is 5/7. And here the total fraction of the oranges, that is 7/7. So we can say that total number of oranges in the basket is equals to 7/7, and here we have 7 equal parts. So I will write fraction of oranges left in the basket. Here total we have 7/7, and out of this we have given 5/7 to the Javed here, because this left indicate minus. If you subtract, you will get 7 minus 5/7. So this is equals to 2/7. From the figure it is clear that the oranges left in the basket, that is 2/7. But we have to solve like this. Firstly you have to write the portion of oranges given to the Javed and the total number of oranges in the basket, that is total is 7/7, or simply we can write that is 1, because whenever you have to find out the fraction, then here total is always 1, and the fraction of oranges left in the basket is 7/7 minus 5/7. And if denominators are same, then just subtract the numerators. So the fraction of oranges left in the basket is 2/7. So this is all with exercise 7.5. Take care, students.